In this video, we are going to compare the Google Pixel Fold against the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Google Pixel Fold has just released recently, so the first point goes to the Pixel Fold. When it comes to the dimensions, the Pixel Fold is more compact and thinner, so the point goes to the Pixel again. The Pixel Fold is heavier than the Z Fold 4, so the Galaxy Z Fold 4 get their first point here. The two devices are similar in their build, but the Z Fold 4 has a better glass protection, so it won another point. Also in the display type category, both are similar, but we going to give the Pixel Fold a point because it has a higher brightness. In their display sizes, I gave the Pixel Fold a point because of it being more compact and user-friendly. In their operating system, both currently have Android 13, yet the Pixel Fold has it out of the box. In the chipset category, Z Fold 4 will get the point because it has a more powerful chip than the Pixel Fold. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 offers more storage variant, so it will get the point. The camera software of the Pixel Fold is better than the Z Fold, so it will have the point. Again, the camera software of the Pixel Fold is better, so it will win. The Google Pixel Fold has a higher battery capacity, so it will get the point here. The Samsung Z Fold 4 offers more color variant, so it is better than the Pixel Fold. Both devices are priced similar, yet the Samsung offers more storage variant, so it will win. So, which devices is better, the Z Fold 4 or the Pixel Fold? I prefer the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, because on how they have the 4th generation of their foldable devices already released. Make them the veterans in this foldable phone market, however. In photography, due to the Pixel's history, you may buy the Pixel. But overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 won this contest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more gadget comparison. Thank you.